Hello and welcome to Keto Life. Today I'm going to be making a keto breakfast casserole. We're going to use some sausage and bacon and actually cauliflower instead of hash browns. So first I've already browned up a pound of sausage. You can use any type that you like. Mine's just a mild because my family is not real big on spice. So while that's all been browned, you're going to add 1 package of cubed up cream cheese. Go ahead and incorporate that in, and you want that cream cheese to all get melted down real good. Okay, our cream cheese is nice and incorporated in there. Now go ahead and turn off your heat, and you're going to add 1 cup of cheddar. Now if you're not a big fan of cheddar, you can use really any kind of cheese. I think mozzarella would be really good in this, or even a mix of both. So we're going to mix that around into that mixture of sausage and cream cheese. If it's not fully melted, that is completely fine. So now you're going to take that mixture and you want to put it in the bottom of a 9x13 cooking pan or baking dish. All right, spread that around evenly. Already smells really good. Now I'm making this to put into our fridge for breakfast in the morning for the kids because they're always complaining they don't have easy things to go to. So of course, you know, they have to get cereal. And I say no, we will have these nice healthy keto easy grab and go meals for you in the morning and no complaining. Because once this is baked up, you can just put a square in the microwave for about 30 seconds and you're good to go. Okay, that's nice and incorporated. Now we're gonna go to our eggs. I have already put 10 eggs into this bowl, and we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. Probably around a teaspoon of each. All right, whisk that up. All right, my egg mixture is ready to go, but before we put that on, I am going to add cauliflower rice. Now another option here is you can take a whole head. I just got this from the grocery store. It was a 12-ounce bag of frozen cauliflower rice. You can actually take a head of cauliflower and shred it, and it looks just like hash browns. So if you need to trick your family, do that. And also if you don't like cauliflower, you can leave this step out. I like to incorporate vegetables anywhere I can into my dishes and hide them so the kids will eat them. So this is what I am choosing to do. Just put a nice level layer of your cauliflower on there. That's going to soak up a lot of the moisture as well. Okay, next we're going to add our egg mixture right on top of everything. That's going to get all nice down in there. Incorporate well in there. And why not add a little bacon? I have 6 pieces of bacon that I cooked in the oven and then just crumbled up really good. So top that off with the bacon. If you just can't get enough bacon, heck, you could probably put even a pound of bacon on top of this. It's just whatever you desire. We all love bacon in this house. Then you're going to top it with another cup of cheddar cheese. I have set the oven to 375, and once there we go, we got all the cheese on. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the oven. It'll take about 25 to 35 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. When you see it all bubbling and you don't see any more of the liquid, it's done in your stove. So let's get it in the oven. All right, guys, I am getting ready to take it out of the oven. It's been in for 35 minutes for my oven. And, oh man, does this look good. Wow. Check this out. Nice and bubbly and golden brown on the edges. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes before I cut it so I can get a real nice square. I'll make sure to put a picture at the end. Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and find us on Facebook and Instagram at Keto Life. Thank you guys.